U.S. stock market in the past week. Thank you for reading our news. Please like and follow us for daily news updates. Weekly market recap. U.S. equity markets experienced a choppy week, finishing lower amid geopolitical shocks. S&P 500 ended down approximately 0.4%, approximately 5,976.97. Nasdaq declined approximately 0.6%, approximately 19,406.83. Russell 2000 dropped approximately 1.5%. The week began positively supported by U.S.-China trade, optimism, and cool inflation. Data before geopolitical instability disrupted sentiment by week's end. Key drivers and volatility. Geopolitical risk. Israel's strike on Iran and subsequent Iranian retaliation sparked oil prices to surge approximately 7 to 10%, triggering market sell-offs, especially on June 13th. Trade developments. Initial optimism came from U.S.-China talks in London and signs of easing export restrictions, briefly fueling risk appetite. Inflation and bonds. Softer PPI and CPI data lowered inflation concerns, but rising oil and treasury yields kept markets uneasy. Sector performance. Energy and defense. Energy names climbed on surging oil, while defense stocks also gained amid Middle East tension. Technology and AI lift. Oracle's upbeat AI-driven forecast helped stabilize tech mid-week, though it couldn't offset the broader risk-off sentiment, downgrades in cyclicals. Airline and travel stocks took heavy losses amid geopolitical concerns. Investor insight and strategy. Diversify for volatility. Blend exposure across sectors. Energy, defense for geopolitics. Tech for innovation. Stay alert to inflation, oil, elevated commodity prices may complicate the Fed's rate path. Focus on catalysts. Look for upcoming CPI/PPI releases, Fed meeting minutes, trade developments, and geopolitical updates to guide tactical decisions. Final takeaway. Investors faced a week defined by swings from trade encouragement to geopolitically driven turbulence. For individuals, the key is balanced portfolios, vigilance on macro, geopolitical data, and sticking to long-term fundamentals, even amid short-term noise.